Today for the Bitcoin price, guys, Bitcoin and Ethereum are finally doing what we've been waiting for. And if you're subscribed to the MMCrypto channel, this epic pump for Bitcoin and Ethereum is not coming with any surprise to you. I will be talking about not only about the next up and coming moves, whether we are going to reach my price targets, my actually crazy price targets for Bitcoin and Ethereum. No, I will be talking about the next up and coming trade, because most of you guys, having watched one of our last videos, whether it was the live videos or the recorded ones, you are in a severely profitable trade right now. But the most important question is where to enter the next trade, how to profit from the next swing for Bitcoin and Ethereum. And of course, I will be talking about two altcoins I actually bought in this night, during the night, in the morning Europe time. I was buying two altcoins. I will be talking about them, about price targets, why I bought them, and much more. Make sure you watch this video until the very end. And today it is more important than ever. Yesterday our channel got deleted. I posted it on Twitter. I got overwhelming support, 300,000 views, thousands, tens of thousands of likes. Thank you so much for that. We have to get the algorithm back on that channel. So please, if you could do me a favor, just take a second out of your day, scroll down, smash up the like button, share the video with your friends, and make noise in the comment section to get this channel back on the algorithm. Thank you so much for your support. And now let's stay here straight with the content for Bitcoin. So what we are doing here is we are starting on the 1 hourly candles for Bitcoin. And as you can remember, I was actually accurately predicting not only, wait, where's the brush? Where's the brush? They changed this here, so I have to find the brush. Wow, that's crazy. There it is. Sorry. So as you remember, we were actually talking about this breakout here quite some time ago already. Well, where is it now? Here. This breakout of this falling wedge quite some time ago. The breakout target of this, and I quoted this a very long time ago, actually back on the 28th of February already. The breakout target is approximately at the 56,800 US dollar levels. This is also, I would take profits below this price target. If you traded this all the way up here, you are in severe profits, actually approximately 20% at a 10x leverage, 200%. Congratulations to you. But the most recent trade is actually much more exciting, because this just happened basically right now. What we are seeing here is a W pattern which broke out and also hit our price target at 52,600 US dollars. I hope you already took some profits over there. Another trade I was actually accurately calling here was this bigger W pattern. This, you can see it right here, and also this one broke out right now, and the price target for that one is actually insane. Here we are talking about a price target of, believe it or not, if you didn't watch one of the last episodes, of 60,400 US dollars. Let me show you something, guys. I was making a Fibonacci extension level. If Bitcoin goes once again to one of these insane moves, and like, you never know, right? The next price target would be actually, but please take profits before. Please take profits at the other levels I mentioned to you. The price target would be, let me quickly show you this. At the Fibonacci golden ratio, the famous golden ratio, right here at the 61.8, at the 67,700 US dollar level. Please, guys, this maybe takes a little bit of more time, but this is the next up and coming most bullish target I can actually quote right now for Bitcoin. Let me go over into Ethereum, because for Ethereum it looks pretty similar. We also have this falling wedge which I quoted earlier, and we had a few W patterns and so on. We took profits here already at this resistance box, and the next profits to be taken are approximately at the 2025 US dollar levels. I told you Ethereum is bullish right now, and as you can see, we are in that bullish stance right now. 2025 US dollars is actually the price I am looking out for right now. Let me quickly go back into the camera mode, and of course I wanted to talk about my trades and much more. I will be talking about the two altcoins I just bought. Let me quickly go over into this trade. This one here right now, 2.05 million US dollars in a profit. I have much more trades. This is another trade over on Bybit, approximately 500,000 US dollars. I think all trades together right now unrealized in approximately 4 million US dollars in profits. And you know that I am going to take more profits along the way. I already mentioned these specific price levels, and I will also talk about my next legendary trade. For this I need your feedback. If you smash up the like button for that video, I will make a fully dedicated video on how to set up a legendary trade, because I know Thousands of you went with me into the last legendary trades, but we always have new community members pressing the subscription button who also want to join a legendary trade. So I will not leave you hanging, and I will make a video about that as well. Of course, I want to be talking about altcoins. That's what everyone is talking about right now. Quick disclaimer, guys. I'm buying altcoins. Yes, I'm buying them since we broke and stayed above 20,000. I was talking about that for 8 months or so, that I'm waiting for that moment. Well, this doesn't mean that I'm banking here with my full portfolio on altcoins. I'm just speculating with a small fraction on that. With that being said, guys, only invest what you are willing to lose in these altcoins. This is a risky game, of course. I bought BNB last night. Of course, I already held BNB, but I was not exposed enough, in my opinion. So I was waiting. We were at $350. I waited for the retracement. We got the retracement, and now they announced this crazy news here with 28% APY. This is not sustainable. We will not go up forever, but I am here speculating on this short-term rise at $250. I actually bought in there, and if I'm going back here, I also bought, you can see this, I bought a Bake. It's actually also Binance chain based, and they have an NFT platform, so I was buying in that at $1.29. I was giving you these updates over on Twitter. Let me quickly go back here. I was giving you these updates, these altcoin purchases in the moment I was actually buying them. So go over to MMCrypto and follow us over at Twitter at MMCrypto, and make sure you join the family over there as well. Because if we are going over here, if you bought in there, if you bought BNB at $25, at $250, you already made within a few hours here a 10% gain on BNB. That was a beautiful one. It just pumped perfectly after we were buying in. And then if we are having a look at Bake to $1.29, this pumped nearly 20% since I gave you this buy signal over on Twitter. So make sure you follow me over there. This broke a significant downtrend, and I am right now exposed to this specific altcoin as well. And I wanted to know one thing, guys. Let me quickly go back into the camera mode, switch it back. If you want to be trading Bitcoin and Ethereum as I am doing it, down below you get $700 bonus as a welcome bonus to the MMCrypto family in the pinned comment if you click the link, and after your initial deposit you get these bonuses. Also, if you want me to cover more altcoins, altcoin TA, signals, price targets and much more, I need this feedback on that video. Make sure you smash up the like button and you share the video with your friends. More importantly, as crowd intelligence, I wanted to know from you guys, what altcoins are you looking at right now? Leave your favorite altcoins down below, and if you are upvoting each other's altcoin suggestions, I see the ones popping up on the top in the comment section, and I can take them into consideration for future altcoin TA. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for watching until the very end. Take advantage of the free bonuses in the pinned comment down below, and with that being said, we will see each other already today at the next one of MMCrypto. I'm so happy to have the channel back. This is all because of you, the MMCrypto family. Teamwork makes the dream work. Thank you so much for your support, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto already today. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.